Ready to unlock even more savings at Target with your team member discount right from your phone. First things first, make sure you've downloaded the Target app on your phone. It's available on both the App Store for iPhones and the Google Play Store for Android devices. And of course, you must log in using your Target employee account. Once you're logged in, look for the wallet icon, typically located at the bottom navigation bar of the app. Then tap the wallet icon. Inside the wallet, you should see a section labeled Team Member Discount. If it's not immediately visible, scroll down, it should be there. See your TM discount? Great! Select Add Discount if it's your first time using it on the app. You might be prompted to verify your employee status. Just follow the on-screen instructions. This usually involves entering your employee ID number. Employee ID can be found by pressing the Employee ID button next to the Add Discount option. Once verified, your team member discount will be automatically added to your wallet, displaying added alongside your team member discount title. So you're ready to start saving. Now, when you're ready to make a purchase either online or in store, simply scan your wallet barcode at the register. Or when placing an order online, the discount will automatically be applied. During checkout, you'll see a notification confirming that your team member discount has been applied, showing you the reduced price. And that's it. Enjoy your amazing team member discounts and happy shopping with Target. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful Target tips and tricks.